Okay guys, today we're cooking instant khoya recipe.
Okay, let's start.
Yes, and for this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter.
One by one?
Yes.
Okay.
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 Let it melt. And then I'm going to stir it all over the pan. I'm going to add 1 cup of milk in it. Mix it and let it simmer for a while. Okay, I'm letting it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we'll add 1 cup of dry milk. Okay, now the milk has boiled, and now we're adding 1 cup of dry milk in it. Stir it, and we don't want any lumps in it.
Okay.
So you have to
Can you use
work
whisker?
fastly, and at this time you can just turn the flame to low, so you can easily handle it.
Okay.
Okay.
So to mix it, we need to use spatula or whisker?
No, I don't think you need a whisker.
Okay. This one is more convenient, right?
Keep scraping the sides and the bottom, and let the milk evaporate.
Okay. So I think it takes only 5 to 10 minutes more, right?
Of course.
Because it's almost done.
Yes, it's almost done. But we'll keep stirring it, and it won't be liquidy or like a paste. You just need to continuously stir it and scrap the sides and the bottom.
Keep stirring it.
Yeah, and you see, it's almost ready now.
Yeah.
See, start leaving the pan. That's a sign that it's almost cooked. So we'll cook it only for 1 and 2 minutes more. You
So
see?
it's a sign
How
when
smooth
it
it is?
starts leaving the bottom of the pan, it's ready.
Of course.
Almost?
Yes.
Okay.
You see the smoothness in it?
Yeah.
See?
It looks
So it's
creamy. It looks
almost
more like
ready.
cream.
And it is around, I think, 1 cup
Okay.
of instant khoya.
Is it around or it's exactly 1 cup?
Let it cook and we'll marry it. See? Now it's ready, and we'll dish it out.